Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Windows 11 Start menu is acting up, maybe it's not opening, looks weird, or just isn't working right, don't worry. Today I'll show you how to reset the Start menu in Windows 11 with a few simple steps. Let's get started. To get started, right-click the Windows icon on the taskbar and then select the Terminal Admin option. Run the following command. This command resets the Windows 11 Start menu back to its default state, fixing issues like crashes, missing icons, or when it just won't open. It's like giving the Start menu a fresh start without losing your files. After running the command, restart your computer for the changes to take effect. And that's it. This method should fix any Start menu issues in Windows 11. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. See you in the next one.